translates to We Are Voyagers. We are so excited that you'll be joining us on this beautiful journey through the Hawaiian, Tahitian, and Samoan Islands. I'm Nicole.
And I'm Krista, and we'll be your two hosts for this evening. As two past Cal Hawaii presidents, we know exactly how much work is put into the show, and we're as excited as you are to see it come to life tonight.
Our first performance of the night is a Siva Samoa routine choreographed by Cal Hawaii treasurer Tiara Drabo. We Know the Way is a song from Disney's latest animated hit, Moana, and celebrates the ancient Polynesian art of voyaging. It describes how Polynesians once navigated the waters of the South Pacific to settle Oceania, using only the wind, sky, and birds to guide them. Please give our dancers a warm welcome to the stage.